Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week 563 into my envelopes. I'm going to first start off in my wallet. Actually, I usually do the same amount. So I'm just going to copy over what I did a previous week. Okay, so it's 150, 3 20s, 5 10s, 1 5. Okay. So 150, 3 20s, 5 10s, 1 5, and 5 1s. Okay, so that's 170. That's going in my wallet for the week. I put in spending, I put 30. Eating out gets 30 as well. Groceries gets 80. Coffee gets 20, and buffer gets 10. So that's a total of 170 this week in my wallet. All right, now I'm gonna go into my binders, and let me start calculating this over here. So 563 minus 170. Okay, so I'm left with 393 to put into, oh, you know what? Actually, no, I don't want to start with this one first. I'm gonna start with this dice game, the power up game, since this one I like to use the dice to figure out what I'm going to be putting in here. So let me get that. I always like to play a little dice game. I think it's fun. Okay, and then a little sticky note. All right, so I'm going to roll once to see just how many times I'm rolling. Okay, so I'm rolling 6 times, and then I'm just going to roll for each side. Okay, so 6 and 1, which is, of course, a little coin. That's the highest. Oh, no, that's not the highest. It's 10. Okay, next roll. This is why I do this first, because this totally can fluctuate all over the place. So 4 and 1. Oh, sorry. 4 and 1. A mushroom. That is 5. 2 and 5. That's another mushroom. Oh my goodness. Getting all the high amounts. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay, I got a star. That's 1. Okay, 2 more rolls. 6 and 3. 6 and 3 is another 1. And 6 and 1. Another 10. Okay. So I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32 going into this challenge. So I'm just going to write down here, power up 32. Okay. Now that that's figured out, I'll come back to this binder in a bit, but I'm just going to go into my black binder next. Okay, so black binder next. I have auto repair. This one I'm going to put 10 in here. Christmas, I'm going to put 5 in Christmas this week. Electronics, this is going to get 10. Emergency, I'm going to put, I have $21.95. I'm going to put 25 in here. Extra debt, which is just savings, I'm going to put 25 as well. I tend to match those. Like whatever I do in emergency, I do an extra debt. Furniture is going to get 5. Like the low priority ones are just going to get 5. I like to put at least something in each envelope. Rainy day, I'm going to put 10 in here. Okay, this registration is already fully funded. Road trip, I'm going to put 10 as well. Scentsy, that one's just going to get 5. This little thing here, okay. 5. Subscriptions, that's going to get 5. Treat yourself, I'm going to put, you know what, I'm going to match what I put in emergency and extra debt. So I'm going to put 25 in here. Okay, left with 226. So now into the white binder. Beauty. I only have 14, so I'm going to put 10 in here. Clothing. Ooh, I only have 9. So I'm going to put 10 in here as well. Content is going to get 5. Costco is going to get 5. I also put my leftover money from groceries in here, and I do have a little bit of leftover money, so that'll get a little bit more than 5. Disney is going to get 5. Family, I don't have anything in family, so this is going to get 10. Fun is also going to get 10 because I have nothing in fun. Gifts. I'm going to put 15 in gifts. Hobbies is going to get 5. Holiday decor is all fully funded. Home decor is going to get 5. Household has 35. That's going to get 10 this week. Target is going to get 5. I already have 62. Okay, and then into the pink binder, I have Go Wild. Go Wild is going to get, I have 488. I'm going to put 10 in Go Wild. All right, I'm left with 121, so I think I'm going to up some of these amounts. So I'm thinking family and fun because I'm actually going to be doing something the upcoming weekend with family. So I need to bump this up a little bit. So I think I'm going to add 10 more to each of these to make these 20 each. So 20 and 20. So that's another 20 minus 20. Left with 101. And then I also want to bump up, let's see, let's bump up gifts. I'm going to put 20 in gifts. So that's an extra 5 over here. 20 minus 5. I still have 96 though. Okay, let's see what other one I can do. Let's do beauty and clothing. I'm going to do another 5 to make these 15. So that's 10. I have 86. I still have some savings challenges. I have 100 envelope I need to do and a couple other savings challenges. So I might just do, let's bump up emergency extra debt and treat yourself. Why not? A little extra here. So I'm going to do 30 on these now instead of 25. So that is an extra 15 I'm taking out. Okay, so I'm left with 71. I think that's a good amount to go into the 100 envelope and then my savings challenges. So here's a 100 envelope. I'm going to do, not a high number, I'm going to go a little bit more like this area. Let's do 20. I have 20 right here I can do. Okay, so 100 envelope. I'm going to write that down right here. It's going to get 20 this week. That leaves me with 51 to put in into some savings challenges. Oh, I have to get my, I forgot to erase it. Oops. Okay, I have a little pig challenge here, but I'm cleaning it off. It's a $10 challenge. I just need to put it back in here. I forgot to do that. So I'm going to do 20 in here. Then I have this $5 challenge. It's July savings challenge. This one's going to get 20 as well. And then I'm just going to do $1. I have a $1 challenge where I just collect the ones, and that's going to get 11. Okay, so that should be the full 563. I'm just going to double check and make sure that is correct before I move on to the next part of this video. So I double checked my numbers. It does equal 563, so I'm good. Just like to always make sure because, oh, my little plant came apart. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that, you know, it's good before I move on to this part because I tend to mess up over here. This is where I tend to mess up on my counts. All right, so auto repair is getting a 10. Christmas is 5. then I have a 10. Emergency is 30, so that's getting a 20 and a 10, another 20 and a 10, then 5 and 10, 10. Scentsy is 5, 5. Treat Yourself is 30, so 20 and a 10. Beauty and Clothing are 15, so that's 10 and a 5, 10 and a 5, and then some 5s here, a 20, and another 20, and another 20, and then 5s, 10, 5, 10, 32, so that's 20, 32. 100 envelope is a $20 bill. And then the $10 challenge, I'm putting 20, so that's 2 10s. $5 challenge, I'm putting 20 as well. That's 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 4 5s. And then the $1 challenge, I'm doing 11. Okay, which I know that's 11. That's not 2. It's just the way that I do this, but I know. So now I'm going to count the tallies. So 50, I have 1. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Yes, okay, cool. And then 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And 1s is 11, 16, 17, 18. All right, so now I'm just going to make sure this all totals out to 563. So 50s is 1, so that's 50. And then 20s is 220. 10s is 190. 5, so 17 times 5 is 85, and then 18. All right, so total is 50, 220, 190, 85, and 18 is 563. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna get a sticky note. When I go to the bank, I always just bring this little sticky note with me to give to the teller. So 50s, it's gonna be 1, and that's a total of $50. 20s is 11, that's a total of $220. 10s is 19, 190. 5s, I need 17 5s, that's a total of $85. And then 1s is 18, that's $18. And so the grand total is 563. That is what I'm going to be pulling out of the bank this week to cash stuff in. And those are the denominations. And I'm just going to stick this in my wallet so I don't forget it when I go to the bank. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because you want to see how I actually put this in my envelopes, how I cash stuff this. That'll be up on Sunday. I usually do cash stuffings on Sunday and cash plannings on Saturday. So yeah, I would love to have you here if you're not already subscribed. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.